Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials: a smart bulb or smart switch, a compatible voice assistant, and stable too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi. Once ready, cut power and install the hardware, tighten, seat, and restore power. Make sure connections are secure. Next, open your voice assistant app and add the new device. Enable the manufacturer skill or integration, sign in, and complete pairing. This creates the control path. Once paired, the assistant can discover and list the light, so you can issue voice commands immediately. Once the device is visible, you build routines in the voice assistant app to define behavior. Create a routine, choose a trigger phrase or scheduled time, and add actions like turn on, set brightness to 50%, or change color. Make groups for multi-fixture scenes so one command affects several lights. If you need advanced logic, like only after sunset or when motion is detected, integrate IFT or a local hub. This adds conditions and reduces cloud latency. Test each routine and tweak delays to sync responses. You finish by testing every command from different positions to confirm recognition and response time. Make final adjustments to brightness, naming conventions, and grouping so commands are intuitive. Also secure the system, update device firmware, enforce a strong Wi-Fi password, and tighten app permissions. If a light becomes unresponsive, reboot the device and router first, confirm it's on the correct SSID, then reauthorize the voice assistant skill. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort. This preserves routines and avoids reconfiguration hassles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.